Welcome to the SYSTEC Ease digital transformation journey, where intelligent gateway technology meets smarter infrastructure. Let's explore how real-time data is transforming operations across multiple industries. Across critical water treatment processes, real-time monitoring ensures operational integrity. The SYSTEC Ease gateway collects and logs key parameters, including total dissolved solids, flow rates, and pond levels in raw water systems. In DAF processes, it continuously tracks sand filter status, pH, and water levels. For RO and UF plants, turbidity, TDS, COD, and flow are precisely monitored, enabling dependable and consistent water quality control. In manufacturing environments, Ease Gateway provides real-time visibility into production performance. It enables continuous monitoring of production lines, offering real-time OEE tracking and automated daily output reporting. For food and beverage operations, it ensures regulatory compliance by monitoring the pressure and temperature of retort vessels, with automated logging for accurate and traceable process control. To address power disturbance events, the Ease Gateway connects to the Schneider PM8250 meter, capturing voltage sags and swells in real time. It logs detailed snapshots including event timestamps, disturbance percentages, and durations. Data is retrieved via Modbus and network interfaces, providing timely, actionable insights for diagnostics and compliance. Ease Gateway enables intelligent energy profiling through seamless integration with Schneider PM5110 meters. It captures real-time energy usage via Modbus and generates daily trend reports, delivering a clear profile of consumption patterns. This data supports strategic planning and provides a reliable foundation for plant expansion and energy efficiency initiatives. To support demand-side energy management, the Ease Gateway retrieves real-time data from secure Elite power meters. It monitors maximum demand continuously and generates daily usage profiles. This allows operations teams to identify high-load contributors and adjust scheduling to reduce peak energy costs. From water treatment to energy strategy, and from power quality to manufacturing performance, the SYSTEC Ease Gateway empowers industrial operations with real-time monitoring, seamless integration, and actionable insight. Partner with us to digitize with confidence. With Ease, we'll build your digital future together.